Eboniebutterfly, also known as Felicia, and today I'm going to share with you my Rae Dunn haul. My haul is mostly Valentine, but I do have a couple of non-Rae Dunn items and one Christmas item. I said I wasn't going to get any Christmas because Christmas is like here, but when my Dunn buddy contacted me about this item, I could not resist. It is a unicorn. It is a Rae Dunn mug that I did not have and a topper that I did not have, and it is this one. This is Santa's elf. I thought this was so freaking cute. It's retails for $9.99, but it's the only topper that I wanted that I didn't have, so I'm really loving this mug. Some other items that I got that are non-Rae Dunn are these little bowls. I know in my last haul I was showing you guys the black and white and how much I liked it. I did find these little baby bowls, the black and white and the black and white dot bowls, to decorate with my Rae Dunn. I think these look so cute with Rae Dunn. So anytime you have the opportunity to get something black and white and decorate it with your Rae Dunn, it turns out really, really cute. Another non-Rae Dunn item, but it's a Valentine item, is this sign. It was $5.99 and it says "Our Love," and it's a wood sign. I think it's super cute. Now the rest of this stuff is just Rae Dunn. I'm going to show you one of my favorite signs that I found this season, and it's the "I Love You" sign by Rae Dunn. And I have a couple of these from last year. And I really like the way these signs look with my decorating. So these are really, really cute, and they retail for $7.99. Another item that I got that is Valentine's, and I am ashamed to say I'm a Rae Dunn hunter, and I did not have one of these. And it is a tumbler. This one has XOXO and it's in pink, and I just said, you know what, I gotta have it because it was in pink. And it retails for $12.99. But it is super cute, and I do like the little XOXO on there. And I also seen the red one with the heart, but I only need one Valentine tumbler, so these are really cute. Okay, I have the watercolor designs, the whole series of it that she brought out last year, and they brought out this candle which is super cute. And it says "Love," so I really like this one. So if you can pick it up and find it, this is super cute. It says "Love." It's the part of the watercolor edition of Rae Dunn. Okay, now I'm going to show you the heavy hitters, the good, because it gets better. It just gets better and better and better. So one of the things that my Dunn buddy found for me is this red canister that says XOXO. It's a big canister, but I do not have anything like this for Valentine's. I think this is the first time they put, I think this is the first time Rae Dunn did something like this for Valentine's, but it is super duper cute. Well, if that was not good enough, my Dunn buddy also found this one, the baby, and I have all the ones white with the black hearts, and I love them. So if I can find, I know they're gonna make others with these hearts on them. If I find them, I'm gonna get them, but I love these, and I can just see this in my hutch right now. I cannot wait to decorate my hutch for Valentine's Day. Another item that I picked up that is not Valentine's, but it is Rae Dunn, is this one, because the Beeline is coming out, and this one says "Don't worry, be happy" candle. It is super duper cute, so I picked this one up. I haven't seen any more of these in my store. I don't know if people are picking them up or they just haven't put out all of them yet, but this one is really cute. And what does this smell like? Oh, it's a wood burning candle. That's another reason why I picked it up. I love candles with wood wicks, so, and it smells decent. It's alright, but it's in a really cute container. Okay, well, this next item, guys, I really need, and I'm going to use like for Christmas. I have been making cheesecake here lately, Oreo cheesecake, and I broke down and bought a pan. What do you call these? Springform pan. And it's a Rae Dunn pan. And it has bake in it. It's really, really cute. But I really bought this to do work. I'm going to be making cheesecake with this one. So, and this is what it looks like. So I'll let you guys know how it works. Because I am going to be using it like tomorrow. Now, what you all have probably been tuned in for is this. I know y'all are wondering what's in the box. I did pre-cut it, but I haven't looked at it. I cut it because I didn't want to cut it on camera. And of course, there is another box. Give me a second. I should have checked to see if there was another box inside. I was online at Sierra and I saw this and I was like, it's probably sold out. I'm probably not gonna get it. But I tried anyway and I got it. I was super excited about it. This is what I got, y'all. Look at that. And look at the back. Super duper cute with the lovebirds. I just think this is really pretty. So, this is my haul, guys. I'm so glad you tuned in. I'll be going live on Instagram tomorrow. So I hope you tune into that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And tell me what you think down in the comments. What was your favorite item that I picked up? Bye.